3 hacks to maximize your experience and budget as soon as you arrive in Bangkok. First, cheapest food in Suvarnabhumi Airport. Super affordable food court in Bangkok Airport? Yes na yes. Eat for as low as 50 Thai baht. So yun na nga, since mahilig talaga kami kumain ni Leo, I really want to taste Thailand food agad-agad as soon as we have Thai baht. I know that when it comes to airport food, yung first impression natin is expensive talaga. But guess what? Ibahin yung sa Suvarnabhumi Airport, ang Bangkok Airport, they have this food court in basement floor next to Gate 8 na mura ang mga food. Maraming choices ng Thai food na mabubusog ka talaga since maganda din, okay din yung serving nila ng food. Yung first meal namin dito, we just spent less than 200 Thai baht. So, less than 300 pesos for our dinner, including our drinks. So,